Berlin, AP, outgoing Chancellor Angela Merkel provided a rare splash of color amid Germany's state election campaign while visiting a bird park where she posed with half a dozen parrots. Not content with the bird feed on offer, one of the rainbow lorikeets took a peck at the longtime German leader's hand, prompting a theatrical scream from Merkel. Merkel, who is not running for a fifth term, visited the northeastern state of Mecklenburg-Western Pomerania on Thursday to promote the center-right Union Bloc's candidate in the constituency she has held since 1990. Germany holds a national election Sunday that will determine the composition of parliament. The strongest party usually ends up leading a new government and will name a new chancellor, who needs to be confirmed by a majority of lawmakers. Follow AP's coverage of Germany's election at https://appnews.com/help/Germany election. Do you have information you want to share with HuffPost? Here's how. Before you go,